Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have these safety goggles, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about them in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, these things fit great. No matter what size of head you have, it's gonna fit great. I have a really big head, and these things are not uncomfortable like a lot of other things that I've tried on are. I really like the fact that it has the top and the bottoms as well. Some of these safety goggles only have like a little spot on the side. They don't cover the whole entire top. These also have these unique air vents that I haven't seen in safety goggles before. And guys, this really helps to not get foggy. How many times have you ever put goggles on and 3 seconds into putting them on, all of a sudden your whole entire face is foggy and you can't even see what you're working on? These do not have that problem because they have those vents. To show you my confidence in this product, guys, I'm gonna throw this in my face and you're gonna see that I'm gonna be just fine. As you guys could see from my test, that worked excellent. It protected me from all that dirt and dust. It didn't faze me at all. Nothing could get in there. Because as you can see, all this stuff on the outside, it stopped it from getting on the inside. There's nothing on the inside of the mask, and it just does a great job. And guys, that's my favorite thing about this is just the fact that it has the sealer on the whole entire top and as well as the bottom. It doesn't allow any dirt to get on the inside or dust or whatever else you're working on. I like that it has these air vents because as we all know, you only have seconds if you're wearing normal masks before you're getting all that fog in there. And then you gotta try to find some kind of anti-fog solution. With this one, you don't need to do that because all of the moisture comes out of these vents and you don't fog up in the first place. And guys, it's a great mask, high quality, made of great material. I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.